Hi everyone, welcome to this tips and trick video on the Bain Group channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Stream integrates with one another. Now before we dive in, I just want to cover some topics you'll be seeing today. The first is how to add a video to a Microsoft Teams channel, and then lastly, how to add a whole Stream channel to Teams. In this video on my Microsoft Stream site, I've already uploaded a video and would like to now start sharing it by adding it to Microsoft Teams. Switching over to my Microsoft Teams app. Within, I will need to decide what channel I want to show the video in. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select the Mark 8 project team and then go into our design channel. From here, the next step is to go to the plus button to add a new tab. And at the very top, if you have previously selected on the logo or the application stream, you can easily spot it out right here. Of course, you have the option to search for the keyword stream, and it will appear as such. At the very top, you're given the options to select either channel or video. Again, we're going to go ahead and select video. Then at the very bottom, you have the option to either search or paste a direct link to the Microsoft Stream video. Again, because I already know the name of my video that I previously uploaded, I'm going to type in the keyword marketing and see over here we have the option to select the video. Now you also have the option to change the tab's name on the field below it, and then as well check mark the box to notify others you posted a new tab to the channel. Once your setting is all configured, go ahead and select Save. Then once it's all set, you can begin to watch the video without having to leave Microsoft Teams. Again, for the option that you did with the checkbox, if I jump to the Conversation tab, you'll see that the team will be notified that a new tab and a video has been uploaded into the channel for Microsoft Stream. Now, as you saw earlier before, you can also add a Stream channel into Microsoft Teams as one of the tabs. The reason why you want to add a Stream channel is to show more than one video. Here, we're going to follow the same steps as before by selecting on the plus button. Again, selecting Stream. We're going to leave the default value onto Channel, and again, search or copy the paste of the Stream channel you want to include. For here, for example, I already know what I want to pick, and let's go ahead and type in marketing for this example here. Again, you have the option to change the tab's name, and once you're all set, you can select Save. Now here the interface is a little bit different. As you can see, the stream's channel name is displayed at the very top, and all the videos below are included in this channel. Now do note, do not get confused with Microsoft Teams channel versus Microsoft Stream channel. And to also help you out, you do have a quick link to get to the Microsoft Stream channel directly here. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and trick video on how Microsoft Stream and Microsoft Teams integrates. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified, and we'll see you next time.